Good morning, everyone. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. I'm here just to share the projects I made last night since we had a whole big audience of, at any given time, I think 3, maximum 4 viewers. I think everybody's just busy with the holidays. That was on Kathy's Cards channel. And last night we were doing fun fold cards. So I had asked my friend Paige, Stamp Girl, if she could pick what type of card would she like me to do, or should I do, and she suggested a tri-fold or Z-fold card, or she said, or shutter card's a little more involved, but I did a shutter card. I did 2 shutter cards actually, tri-fold shutter card. This was my first one, my prototype if you will. I used Stampin' Up! Products on this, very vanilla, Mossy Meadow, and then the designer paper is the Pressed Petals designer paper. And this is the this did not come from Path of Petals. I forget which stamp set I got that out of, but the oval did come from the coordinating dies with that, both pieces of the oval. These are out of the Royal Peacock, Noble Peacock rhinestones here. I think, yes, I used a couple different sizes and put 5 blingies on. And then these are just Mossy Meadow plain. And then these are the new medium daisy punch. I punched out a Rococo Rose twice and very vanilla. And then these are the new fuzzy centers. They're called Perennial Essence Floral Centers. I love those little fuzzy centers. They're so cute. Anyway, that was my first card. I actually had already had it made, but I didn't have it all decorated with the rhinestones and the flowers and stuff on at the time of the video, because I had to try and make one and make sure I could make one. And then I'm going to show you the last card I did, which I struggled with for some reason. It's just an easel card, which I forgot to pop up on Pop Dots. So this is popped up to help stop it. The part I struggled with was the front. I really did not know what I wanted to do with this beautiful paper, and it was suggested I started stamping out roses because these are roses. It just didn't look right with it. Well, I did end up die cutting one from the Wild Rose bundle, and I did it in very vanilla, and then I just edged it with a little bit of Blushing Bride. I'm gonna have to tack it down a little better. This ribbon, because this background paper is Rococo Rose, as is the ribbon around the edge here, but this I think might be Blushing Bride, and I kept trying colors and nothing seemed to work. This ribbon is called Gathered Ribbon, and it's Rococo Rose. Yeah, they just say Rococo Rose, but it's got like a metallic in the center, and then the Rococo Rose is along the edge, so it's a pretty ribbon. But the bow thing wasn't working for me, so I just did the bend it over and have it fly down, and then I just put one of these flowers up here. And that is the last card I did, which I struggled with, and I'm still not particularly happy with it, but I didn't want to cover up some of this beautiful paper. So that's why I just did the ribbon the way it is, and I'll tack the flower down a little better. And down here I did just stamp hello, and I'm pretty sure it might have been out of Budding Blooms. I can't remember. I'll put the links to the products below at some point. It might not be till tomorrow though. Okay, so that was the last card, and then to say happy 4th of July, this is the second card I did, the first one on the video really. And I used Night of Navy cardstock. I used red glitter paper, which is no longer available from Stampin' Up. This paper here is actually Bow Bunny and came out of this pack here that I actually think I got from PTT. You can see it's down here. And I have some stickers from both Bow Bunny and also Dollar Tree. These ones here, I used the words, some of the words out of there. And these stars were Bow Bunny. So that is what I used for this one. I'm going to be giving this to my mom today to put on her windowsill, at least for today, and then I'll probably bring it home. So anyway, it says cool treats here because I'm going to be taking her out for her ice cream at her favorite little ice cream place today. Hopefully they're open on the 4th of July. And then here's the Liberty Bell, which actually is in Philadelphia, right? But with some flowers on. The Happy is from the Well Written Words dies by Stampin' Up, and I did it twice and then layered it. Happy, and then 4th of July is out of the Dollar Tree stickers. Dollar Tree sticker, Dollar Tree sticker, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Bow Bunny. These are all Bow Bunny. And this strip here, I think, is Bow Bunny as well. So yeah, that's what I did for my mom. Oops, sorry, I'm way down. And it is a shutterfold card. That's how it stands. There we go. I think I did okay. And I did put a piece of white on the back in case I want to write something, or if I bring that back and don't send it anywhere. Or, you know, if I don't write anything on it for Mom, I can bring it back and use it next year maybe. So yeah, we'll see, unless I make something new for next year. So those are my 3 projects that I did for last night's Fun Fold Cards night. Started out with Kathy, Tina, and I, and then Tina ended up having to leave because she forgot she was supposed to do something with her grandchildren that night. So we understand, Tina, but we did miss you. So thanks for coming back and joining us in the live conversation for a little bit. So go check out Kathy's channel if you haven't already, and I'm sure Tina will be posting a project share because she already had a project done or almost done also, and I think she'd been making a couple other ones prior to the video. So yeah, there's my cards. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you again soon. Have a lovely day with your family and friends, or a peaceful day if you just stay home by yourself.